Okay, so Aditya, कैसे हो आप?
सब बढ़िया हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
We are good. So, tell me something about yourself.
Okay, sir. So I'm Adit, an industrious and a passionate individual. I am from the leather city of the world, also known as Kanpur. I'm a chess player and also good in cricket and guitar. I got a sixth rank in an online chess competition. Apart from that, I was the best junior guitarist of my school too. Due to my keen interest in responsibilities and honors, I was sports captain of my school too, and thus I believe more to work as a team rather than an individual. And due to my interest in the field of management, I wish to pursue in this field. So that's all.
So which IM is your favorite in terms of doing IPM?
Sir, every IM is good, but if you will ask me, I'm Rohtak.
I'm Rodhik is your favorite. Why so?
Sir, because I believe in Gyanin Godincha Prabandha, management through values, skills, and knowledge. That's why.
So that is in every IM.
So basically, what I feel that the way of management and the skills I'm looking for, I will get best in I am Rohtak.
Okay, okay. Where you see yourself after 10 years?
So I see myself as a successful entrepreneur and leading my city, my state from the front.
Okay. Leading your city.
Yes, maybe the most of maybe in industrial way or economical way.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So what kind of business you want to do? As you said, you want to be an entrepreneur.
Okay, sir.
Have you thought about it also?
So not much, but my first is to like my father is doing a business. He has a business of food products. First, my will is to work on his business and grow his business, and then I think of any other thing, any other business maybe.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You had maths, physics, maths, and chemistry.
Yes.
What is the Coulomb's law?
So Coulomb's law. Okay, sir. The force of attraction and repulsion between two charges is directly proportional to the product of magnitude and inversely proportional to the distance between them.
Inversely proportional to the distance
Yes, sir. I feel so.
or square of the distance.
Sorry, sir. It's square of the distance.
Square of the
Yes, sir.
distance. Okay. So, do you know any practical use of the Coulomb's law?
So in printing machine, it is used Coulomb's law.
Coulomb's law used in the printing machine. What is the value of the epsilon naught?
So 8.85 into 10 to the minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square.
Good. Lok Sabha elections are going on. How many MP seats are there in UP?
So MP seats.
Yeah.
So 100.
100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, who is the Prime Minister of India?
Sir Narendra Modi.
Who is the President of India?
Sir Draupadi Murmu.
Who is the Vice President of India?
Sir Jagdeep Dhankar.
Who is the CM of Uttar Pradesh?
Sir Yogi Adityanath.
What is his real name?
Sir Ajay Mohan Singh Best.
Okay, name 5 rivers which are flowing through UP.
So 5 rivers will be Ganga, Yamuna, Saryu, Mandakini, and one will be Gomti.
Gomti. Okay, perfect. What is the value of cot 30?
Sir root 3.
What is the differentiation of e to the power x?
So it will be e to the power x itself.
What is the integration of e to the power x?
It will be e to the power x plus c.
What do you mean by a fair dice? The word fair means what? In probability, when I say fair dice is rolled, what is the meaning of the word fair?
Okay, sir. So basically, the fair die, what I know is when we roll a dice, there is an equal probability of getting each number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is an equal chance, that is 1 by 6, of getting a number when we roll a dice on the top of the dice. Yes, sir.
Sure. We'll start with an extempore. Right. So you can have a minute to jot down some points and then a minute to speak it out. The topic for today is Dance of Democracy.
Dance of democracy.
Dance of Democracy.
Okay, ma'am, can I?
Yes, please. Your time starts now.
Okay, so basically, there's a very famous line we say, to win a battle, we should first win mentally. And basically, we need to tackle our internal battles. Then we should do our then are there external battle of us. Similar in this way, our democracy, one of the which is the largest democracy in the world, if we are able to make it function properly, then who knows, may we lead the world from the front. For today now onwards, there is problem in a democracy like corruption, and many political leaders who are not taking their duty seriously. So if we are able to, if our country is able to come up with this, we will surely lead this world. That's all.
All right. What do you mean? What is your understanding of democracy?
Basically what I feel is that democracy is the way in which our country operates, like the legislative, executive, and the judiciary system. Yes, and that's it.
I see. All right. Any top 3 headlines you can think of?
Oh, surely. First will be Kolkata Knight Riders winning IPL. Second will be this China and Taiwan issue.
What is the issue? Very short, briefly.
Okay, basically China is claiming that Taiwan means that China is its part. So basically, it is fighting for that. Third one will be the crash of the plane of the Irani president. Yes.
All right. Who got the Bharat Ratna this year?
I'm not sure about that.
Okay. Which Lok Sabha constituency do you belong to? Where do you live?
Ma'am, Kidwai Nagar constituency.
Kidwai Nagar constituency, Lok Sabha. And who is your current MP?
Satyadev Pachauri.
I see. Do you have any questions for us?
Just ma'am, I love to play sports. So basically, I just wanted to ask if I will get any opportunity in college to
play sports.
Yeah.
Of course. There is the sports infrastructure at IIM Rohtak is very robust, and we encourage our students to participate in extracurriculars along with studies. So yeah, lots of opportunities. Anything else?
No.
Thank you so much. Democracy means that everyone has a right to vote. Every adult above 18 years of age has the right to vote, and everybody's vote is counted as equal, right? Irrespective of their background, socioeconomic status, everybody has one vote, and there is equality when it comes to their decision. They can contribute to formation of the government at the center. So that is called democracy. Am I right?
मेरे टेक्निकल इन्होंने बता दिया काफी हद तक, और सही भी होगा मेरे हिसाब से। जो पहले होता था राजतंत्र होता था, एक राजा होती थी सबसे ऊपर और सबसे नीचे प्रजा होती थी। डेमोक्रेसी क्या होता है? एकदम उल्टा। अब प्रजा सबसे ऊपर है, राजा सबसे नीचे। अब वो तय करती है कि राजा कौन होगा। पहले राजा तय करता था कि प्रजा कैसे रहेगी, और अब ये एक ब्रॉड उसमें अगर आप बात करें तो जो प्रजा है, जो लोग हैं, वही सबसे ऊपर हैं इस उसमें। फीडबैक आप और दे रही थी क्या?
Kidwai Nagar Lok Sabha?
No. Kanpur. Kidwai Nagar is the Vidhan Sabha constituency, which is the legislative assembly in English.
He is an MLA.
Satyadev Pachauri is the MP. He is MP. He is MP. He is the MP of Kanpur Lok Sabha seat. फीडबैक याद करें तो अभी तक जितने इंटरव्यू मेरे ख्याल सबसे अच्छा इंटरव्यू रहा होगा।
लेकिन आप स्माइल
मैं स्माइल कर रहे थे थोड़ा।
हाँ, परसेंट का जीके थोड़ा वीक पॉइंट है, और आज भी जैसे हमने कहा भारत रत्न किसको मिला नहीं पता था। टॉप 3 हेडलाइंस में चाइना ताइवान इशू बहुत वेगली बताया। हमने कहा ब्रीफ में बता दो, हमने कहा ब्रीफ में बता दो, लेकिन थोड़ा सा वेग सा रिप्लाई दे दिया उसमें। कुछ क्रिस्प
बहुत पहले ही खत्म हो गया।
नहीं सर,
अभी रिसेंटली रिकिंडल
yes.
अभी रिकिंडल हुआ, बट वो थोड़ा वेग सा दे दिया। और ये लोकसभा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी और विधानसभा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, ये डिस्कशन भी हमारा पिछले इंटरव्यू में हुआ था। इन्होंने पिछले इंटरव्यू में वो आंसर गलत दिया था, इसलिए हम डिसअपॉइंटेड कि फिर गलत दे दिया। तो हाँ, तो मैं इनके चारों ही आंसर से थोड़ी डिसअपॉइंटेड हूँ। डेमोक्रेसी, डांस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, मैं सोच रही थी कुछ इलेक्शंस के बारे में हमको बताओगे, क्या चल रहा है, क्या पार्टीज हैं, कुछ वैसा। मतलब डांस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी मैं उस हिसाब से एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी। ठीक है, कोई नहीं, आपके डेमोक्रेसी की अंडरस्टैंडिंग ही थोड़ी सी हेजी थी, तो वो हो गया। फिर